Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix blank white desktop shortcut icon on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix blank white desktop shortcut icon on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run type App Data. Now click on OK. Click on three dot icon to show more. Click on Options. Now click on View tab and under Hidden Files and Folder, click on Show Hidden Files, Folders and Devices. Now click on Apply and then click OK. Now click on Local. Now scroll down. Here you will find a hidden file icon cache. Just delete icon cache. The icon cache is deleted. Now close File Explorer. Now right click on Taskbar and then click on Task Manager. In search here type Windows Explorer. Right click on Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Now close Task Manager and then you need to restart your computer. Just click on Start menu, click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope the problem is solved. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.